Happy Friday, Los Al USC. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, March 31st, 2023.
This week's episode starts with a flashback to last weekend's Los Al High School Jazz Spotlight concert. This year, we were thrilled to celebrate 50 years of Spotlight as students from McAuliffe, Oak, and Los Alamitos High School, along with some very special guest artists, shared the same stage and the gift of music. Speaking of music, on Monday evening, family, friends, and staff gathered at Los Alamitos High School after hours to welcome home and celebrate the Los Alamitos Show Choir after a winning weekend at the Heart of America National Show Choir competition held in New York City. Both Sound Effects, the Advanced Mixed Show Choir, and Soundtracks, the Advanced Women's Show Choir, earned top honors, with Sound Effects named grand champions of the entire event. On Tuesday evening, our McGaw community gathered to support the Sea Lions as they delivered their annual board report. The board workshop opened with the McGaw Choir, which happens to be the largest choir in McGaw's history, who delivered a beautiful patriotic performance of the national anthem. McGaw 5th grade student representatives, along with Principal Wendy Wood, highlighted what makes McGaw a special learning community. Their presentation concluded by honoring McGaw Hero of the Heart, parent and volunteer extraordinaire, Mr. Steve Miller. Following McGaw's school presentation, the board, executive cabinet, and the Sea Lion community gathered to honor and celebrate our District Teacher of the Year, Mrs. Cheryl Smith. In other news, board and cabinet members gathered at Hopkinson this week to celebrate 10 staff members for their dedication, service, and longevity with the district. Staff were recognized for celebrating 5, 10, 15, 25, and 2, even 35 years of service honorees. The celebration is a combined total of 220 years of service. And finally, we were thrilled to gather on Wednesday and Thursday to celebrate Hopkinson and Rossmoor staff for their California Distinguished School honor. Staff gathered for lunch and were gifted a special commemorative pen. Next Thursday, we will celebrate Weaver Elementary. Well, that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.
And that's the wrap.